Hi, I'm Mai from MyHealthyDish, and today I am making one of the most popular recipes on my blog, Copycat Avocado Egg Rolls from Cheesecake Factory. Let's start cooking. I have this frozen spring roll wrapper. I got this at the Asian market, but you could definitely find these at your international section at your grocery store. So this is what the avocado egg roll wrapper looks like. It's very thin, very delicate. So what you do, when you peel it, you gotta be very, very careful. Okay, so we start with one large avocado or two medium avocados and just cut it in half. So I have a trick here. Instead of, risking cutting my hands, I like to slice down to the pit and twist. And now we're just gonna scoop our avocado in our bowl. This is like the most beautiful avocado. It's so bright green, perfectly ripe and soft. I picked a good one. There we go. Oh, and don't waste. Get all of that, scrape it out. I do not waste. Get all that good, healthy fat out of there. And when I mash this, I don't want it to get too smooth. I like big chunks. I think that's good. Move on to the next. Okay, so the original Cheesecake Factory recipe had sun-dried tomatoes. I have fresh tomatoes and I have red bell pepper. You could use either or all three. I'm gonna use red bell pepper because red bell pepper has a higher vitamin C than the tomatoes, and I just want those extra nutrients. And I'm only gonna use maybe a third of this red bell pepper because we don't wanna outshine our avocado, which is our main ingredient here. I think this is a good size. It's okay, we get some of these seeds in there. I'm not picky. And I eat with my eyes, and sun-dried tomatoes are actually kind of brown once you actually take it out of the package. And look at this vibrant red. Wouldn't you rather bite into this? Look at all that red. Mix that real quick. Okay, so jalapenos, definitely optional. I like a little kick, so we're gonna use just a little bit. Remove the stem. What do you think, half? I think half is fine. You could use a spoon to scoop this out, but I have my fingers here. And just cut it like we cut the pepper. I actually don't think jalapenos are that spicy if you avoid the seeds. It's actually really sweet to me. Almost tastes like a sweet bell pepper. Next, we have just red onion. I cut that before because I didn't want you guys to see me crying. And lime juice. This helps the avocado from browning, but also gives you that citrus taste. Almost done, very easy. Now our seasonings. I have salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Mix that all up. Okay, so we are gonna make our egg wash. Just one egg. The fun part begins. Let's get rolling. Remember to wash your hands. Dip your finger in your egg wash. And this is our glue. Put it on all four corners of the egg roll wrapper. Get a big scoop of this. Don't put it in the center. Like almost like a third way up, and spread it out. So you don't want to overfill this because when it cooks, it's going to expand. You grab the end, you tuck, roll, tuck, roll, and just like an envelope, you grab the other end, seal it in, and the other end here, other corner. Doesn't that look like a little envelope? And we just pull and roll. And that is our little egg roll. Looks like one large avocado is gonna make 4 egg rolls. Okay, so instead of deep frying this in oil, we're gonna cook it in the air fryer, but I'm just gonna spray a little bit of olive oil because we still want it to be crispy. And flip it over. And a light coat of oil. I'm putting this in the air fryer at 375 degrees for about 12 minutes. If you don't have an air fryer, use your oven, 375 degrees for about 15 to 17 minutes. Let's go. While the egg rolls are cooking, let's do our sauce. We have the cilantro that we cut up earlier. This is sesame oil, a little bit of soy sauce, some brown sugar, lime juice, and for a little kick, this is definitely optional, some chili flakes. Whisk that all together. That's our sauce. Hot and ready out of the air fryer. Looks so good. Let's just cut into one. Woo, hot, hot, hot. Hear that crunch? Don't need to deep fry anything. That looks and smells so good. Let's drench it in this sauce. And here's the best part. I get to eat it hot, hot, hot. It's good. And there you have it, crispy avocado egg rolls, copycatted from Cheesecake Factory. Go to myhealthydish.com for the recipe and many more. Thanks for watching.